Summer just got a little bit hotter in Venice in a good way. The Suncoast's best entertainers will be on stage at the Venice Theater for the annual Summer Cabaret Festival. There'll be different performers every couple of days. It is a great way to see a wide range of local talent when many of the local theaters are dark for the summer. Joining us now with all the details is Lori Colton. She's the marketing director with the Venice Theater. What a great idea, Lori.
We're so excited. It's our 4th annual.
Wow, it seems like it just got started. How did it get started? It was such a brainstorm for somebody.
Alan Kohler, who's our producing director, he knew of so many talented people in the area that could put on their own individual shows, and summertime was a great time to do it because, like you said, theaters tend to be a little quieter in the summer. So all of these great actors and performers are available to perform for us in their own shows.
So everybody plans their own show.
They do.
So each one is totally different.
Each one is totally different. We have gospel singers, we have jazz singers, we have Broadway folks. I mean, every style of music you can think of.
And you change every week?
Yeah, it's
every
Thursday
weekend.
through Sunday. And every couple of days we have new acts. We had a great group of teenagers a couple of years ago who were fantastic. One of the best shows that I saw. Joey, your producer, has done a show with us.
We just saw Christina
and Joey is going to be doing another one, I understand.
Joey is going to be a guest performer in the cabaret that I'm doing in a
You're
couple
doing
of
one.
weeks.
Oh,
Yep.
I can't wait to see that one.
Thank you.
And Sarita Banks, now she's going to be doing one, right?
She is opening the festival tomorrow night, Thursday and Friday. She'll be performing Broadway Soul. Check this out. Favorite singers at Venice Theater.
Wonderful.
She's actually pretty well known in the area because she was in Orlando doing the Lion King show at Animal Kingdom, and she did the big Circle of Life solo.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I bet you've seen her. Yeah.
And she was incredible. I was thinking that I wonder where they find this incredible talent, because she was incredible.
And that's amazing that we have her now.
And we have her now.
Wow.
Yes. She started with us. She went away. She's back. And she'll probably end up in New York City at some point.
And so she's this weekend.
She's this weekend, and so is, you have called him, I think, the Suncoast favorite entertainer, Suncoast crooner, the Suncoast crooner.
The Suncoast
You're talking
about Johnny Russo.
He's like our own Frank Sinatra in Sarasota, right?
He is awesome and very handsome, too.
He is handsome.
And he is going
Johnny's
to do
blushing
a
right now.
Rat Pack tribute. Johnny Russo.
Yes.
Take it away.
Oh, he's here.
He's here.
Came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there to touch your hair. Walk with me all summer long. We sang a song and we strolled the golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, like painted kites, the days and nights went flying by. The world was new beneath the blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind. The autumn winds and the winter winds have come and gone. And still the days, the lonely days, they go on and on. Guess who sighs his lullabies through nights that never end? My fickle friend, the summer wind. Warm summer wind, oh, the summer wind. Ooh, the summer wind.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
Oh, Johnny, that is awesome.
Great
Thank you. Wonderful to be
tribute.
back.
What do you like about the Venice Cabaret? Now, you sing all over.
The Venice Cabaret is an intimate space, first of all. Second of all, the organization itself is so wonderful and warm and friendly. I did a La Cage aux Folles. I had the lead there about 10, 12 years ago. Wow. And Sandy, Brad, Murray, Alan, I mean, everybody is just family. It's wonderful.
It's great for the audience because you are so close.
It's incredible.
And I'm looking into your eyes.
And he's good at that part, that sing
Yes,
right
he
too.
Hey, baby.
He's doing that now.
Yours is the 9th and the 10th, right?
Yes, it is.
Venice Cabaret
Yes, it is.
in Venice, 9th
Yep,
and the
yep.
10th. And for more information, you can go to the VeniceStage.com. You can find out who's going to be there. So many of your favorites are going to be there. And it runs through August 28th. Lori's going to be there. Joey's going to be there. You've got to see these guys. So go to VeniceStage.com.